Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make collage on Instagram story. So it's very easy to do. You want to add or you want to post some of your photo in one time. So let's make collage. All you have to do, just tap this plus button, and then this is the story. This is the collage. Here you can choose your layout. There are 4 square, 2 square, 3 square, horizontal 2 square, and last is 6 square. So you can add a different photo one by one here. Just tap on the one of the box, or one, just tap this one, so you can add your photo from here. This is for example. You can adjust the photo here, and after that you can add image, text, or effect, or stickers. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well as the next button below. See you in the next video.